Good afternoon, 10 News meteorologist Grant Gilmore here with the latest on potential tropical cyclone 16. The storm's moving really quickly to the north and east now, around 22 miles per hour. Even though it's not technically a tropical storm, still actually producing tropical storm winds. Wind speeds now at 60 miles per hour. And those tropical storm force winds extend out about 175 miles from the center of the storm. It will continue to race to the northeast, likely making landfall early tomorrow morning in the western Florida Panhandle, somewhere around Panama City, Mexico Beach, the same area that saw Hurricane Michael just last year. The impacts, though, far-reaching out from the center of the storm where it makes landfall, and that's why we're concerned and really watching this system closely here in Tampa Bay. But that storm quickly races up through the southeast as we go through the weekend, and then by the time we go into the beginning of next week, it will jump back off the mid-Atlantic coast into the Atlantic Ocean. We've got a warm front, though, to our south. That's actually connected to the area of low pressure with potential tropical cyclone 16. That lifts to the north as we go throughout the rest of the afternoon. We could see a couple of spotty showers up until around 3 o'clock. I think after around 3 or 4 o'clock, we'll have to watch for a better chance for some more widespread showers and storms. Some of these could be on the strong side. The threat for severe weather is relatively low, but any of the stronger storms could tap into some rotation or some spin in the upper levels of the atmosphere, and that may result in a quick, brief waterspout or a tornado later this evening. A break in the action until we get into early tomorrow morning, at which point it'll start to get really windy, and we'll also see more widespread showers and storms take us through at least the first 3/4 of the day. Those winds shifting to the south and west as we head through the middle of the day tomorrow is what will bring on the threat for some storm surge. Some gusty winds throughout the day tomorrow, combined with that water being pushed on shore, that may result in some flooding there along the water. So coastal storm surge, we'll watch that. Some places could see between 2 to 4 feet above normal levels there. Windy conditions for everyone, but along the coast especially, we could see wind gusts near 40 miles per hour. And all that combined is going to give us that threat for some water spouts and maybe an isolated tornado. Brief, but still, they could cause some damage. Clearwater Beach North, that's the area we're looking for that potential for some surge, 2 to 4 feet. More likely find those higher amounts closer to the nature coast, and then even higher storm surge, which could be pretty dangerous up to the Big Bend area into the Florida Panhandle. Our high tide at Clearwater Beach tomorrow will be in the morning at around 2:15, and then another high tide going into 5 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. So we could see those higher than normal water levels throughout the entire day, but specifically watching those high tides for the threat for some obviously some flooding. Our forecast for the rest of the day, building that chance for showers and storms, some of which could be on the strong side through the evening and early overnight hours. So watching conditions closely tonight, and then tomorrow, we've talked about it. It could be just kind of a nasty day, certainly a windy day tomorrow, but we'll start to see things calm down through Saturday night into Sunday. And next week looking pretty good with high temperatures in the mid and lower 80s.